this is second grade lesson 30 and we're doing money. So answer the following questions using the chart below. So number one, Jenny is trying to buy a slice of pizza and a sandwich. How much does she need to pay? So she wants one slice of pizza, which costs $1.50. And she wants a sandwich, which costs $1. So we're gonna add these two prices together. So we're gonna do 1.50 plus $1. So 0 plus 0 equals 0, 5 plus 0 equals 5, and then we add the decimal, and then 1 plus 1 equals 2. So then we get $2.50, so she needs this much in order to buy a slice of pizza and a sandwich. Number two, Amar would like to buy 5 burgers. How much will the total cost be? So a burger costs $2 and she wants 5 of them. So we do 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So let's add these pairs up together. So 2 plus 2 equals 4.00. Because after the decimal is just zeros, which means that when we add it 0 plus 0, it will just equal 0. So it doesn't matter. So we only need to add the front two numbers. The same goes for this 2 plus 2, so which is going to be 4.0. And then we also need to add this additional 2.0 here, so 2.0. So now it's going to be 4.0 plus 4.00. So then we don't need to add the front numbers because again the decimals in the back are nothing, so it's just going to be 8.00 plus 2.00. And then just like before, once again, then since numbers after decimal are zeros, all we need to do is add the front numbers, so it's just 8 plus 2, which equals 10. So she needs $10. So if Eric wants one for each food, how much will he be paying? So he wants one of each food, so he wants one pizza, which costs 1.50, plus a chicken, which costs $1. He also wants a burger, which costs 2. And then he wants a sandwich, which costs 1. And then he also wants a pasta, which costs 1.50. So let's add these up like before in pairs. So 1.50 plus 1.50 plus 1.00. So 0 plus 0 equals 0, 5 plus 0 equals 5, and then add our decimal, and then 1 plus 1 equals 2, so we get 250. 2.50. Okay, now we add the 2 and the 1. And then just like before, since past the decimal zeros, all we need to do is 2 plus 1, and 2 plus 1 equals 3. So we just simply put 3.00 down, and now we need to drag down our 1.50 because we're not adding up anything. So now this is what we have left now. So now we need to add these together. So 3.00 plus 2.50. So 0 plus 0 equals 0, 5 plus 0 equals 5. Put the decimal down, 3 plus 2 equals 5. And then we need to add our 1.50. So let's go on the left side here. So 5.50 plus 1.50. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Drag the 1 up. 5 plus 1 equals 6. Plus the 1 equals 7. So we need $7. Or he needs $7 if he wants to buy everything. Okay, let's go down to number 6 for Lila's birthday. Her brother bought 2 slices of pizza, 3 chicken, and 5 sandwiches. How much did he spend in all? So if he bought 2 slices of pizza, pizza costs $1.50 and he bought 2 of them, so it'd be 1.50 plus 1.50. That's 2 slices of pizza, then 3 chickens. So a chicken costs $1, so he wants 3 of them, so it's 1.001 or plus 1.00 plus 1.00. And then he wants 5 sandwiches, and a sandwich costs $1, just like the chicken. So then he wants 5 of those, so it's 1.00 plus 1.00 plus 1.00 plus 1.00. Alright, now we should just add these all together to figure out how much we need. So 1.50 plus 1.50. Let's do on the left side here. So 0 plus 0 equals 0. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Drag the 1 up, add our decimal here. So 1 plus 1 equals 2, plus this 1 equals 3. So now we get 3 for this. And then now, just like before, after the decimal, if there's zeros, we don't. All we need to do is add the front numbers. So there's 3 ones, so 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 3. So that's 3.00. And then this one, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, and then 5 ones just equal 5, so it's 5.00. Then we do 5 plus 3 plus 3, like this. So, and all these added up should equal 0. So we just do 5 plus 3, which equals 8, and then 8 plus 3, which equals 11. So he needs $11 in total. Number 7, Zoe has $10. If she buys 4 burgers, how much does she have left? So 4 burgers, a burger costs $2 and she wants 4 of them. So 2.00 plus 2.00 and then 2.00 plus 2.00. So this is 4 burgers, so there's 4. So let's just add these up. After decimal, we don't need to put anything, so it's 0.0. Now it's 2 plus 2, which equals 4, and then the same thing goes for this one because of the same thing. And now we do 4.00 plus 4.00. All we need to do is add the front two numbers, which is 4 plus 4, and 4 plus 4 equals 8. And she has $10, so now wants to know how much does she have left, which means we subtract the 10 from this 8, or the 8 from this 10, and then we get 2. So she has $2 left. And with the money left, how many sandwiches can she buy? A sandwich costs $1, and she has 2. So that means if we do one sandwich plus another sandwich, we add these two, so it becomes 2.00. So she can buy 2 sandwiches. Let's go down to practicing addition. So it says add the numbers to find the total. Number 1 is 18 plus 16 plus 12. So first, let's just add these two together. Or, sorry, let's find the easiest one to add. So if we do 18 plus 16, if it's a little bit difficult to do because then this creates a different number and whatever. So let's just try 18 and 12. So 8 plus 2 equals 10, and that leaves us with our ones being a 0. So if we do 18 plus 12, it becomes like 10, and then now it's 1 plus 1 equals 2, and then plus this 1 equals 3, so it's 30. Now we just add this 16, and it becomes 46. If we just 6 plus 0 equals 6, and 3 plus 1 equals 46. It's just an easier way to do it, but you don't have to. So let's just we can do this one normally. So 22 plus 15, we can write this out on our side like this. Okay, so 5 plus 2 equals 7, and then 2 plus 1 equals 3, and then we add our 13 down here. So then 7 plus 3 equals 10, and then 3 plus 1 equals 4, plus this 1 equals 5, so it's 50. Let's skip to number 4 here. So 34 plus 30 plus 36. This one has a 0 here. So let's just try adding all of our ones here. So 4 plus 0 plus 6. So 4 plus 0 is just 4. And now it's just 4 plus 6. And 4 plus 6 equals 10. We can drag our 1 up here. So 3 plus 3 equals 6. And then 6 plus 3 equals 9. And then plus this 1 up here. Plus 1 equals 10, which gives us 100. Number 5, let's try adding all of our 1s again. So 4 plus 4 equals 8. And then plus this 2. So it becomes 10. So we write down a 0, add this 1. And then 7 plus 1 equals 8. 8 plus 1 equals 9. And 9 plus this 1 equals 100 once again. And then let's just skip down to number 8. Let's add our 1s again. So 4 plus 8 here equals 12. Plus this 2 equals 14. So we can write our 4 down here. And then put our 10s up here. And now it's 5 plus 4, which equals 9. And then 9 plus this 1 equals 10. And then plus another 1 equals 11. So it's 114. Finally, we're on word problem. So Davis has 71 trading cards. He buys 38 more. How many trading cards does he have in total? So if he has 71 and buys 38 more, we're just going to do addition. So 8 plus 1 equals 9. And then 7 plus 3 equals 10, which equals 109. So he has 109 cards total. Number 2, Gary has 54 stickers. His aunt brings him 39 more. How many stickers does he have in total? So if we start with 54, and then his aunt brings him 39 more. We want to know how much he has in total now. So now we do 4 plus 9, which equals 13. And then 5 plus 3, which equals 8. And then 8 plus this 1 equals 9, which gives us 93. And then for number 3, we have Allison has 57 stamps. Tori has 44 more stamps than Allison. How many stamps does Tori have? So if Allison has 57 and Tori has 44 more, we want to know how many Tori has. If she has 44 more, we add 44. So then 7 plus 4 equals 11. 5 plus 4 equals 9, plus this 1 equals 10, so it's just 100. So Tori has 110 or 101 stamps. Finally, number 4 from number 3, how many stamps does Allison and Tori have together? So if Tori has 101, we learned from before, and we know Allison has 57, we don't know how much they have together, so we do 101 plus 57. So then 7 plus 1 equals 8, 5 plus 0 equals 5, and then drag down this 1, which gives us 158 as our final answer.